This is a 2013 Silverado 1500, and then I need to replace those. And before you start, taking this off and this off, okay, and of course unhooking this right there, you need to unhook this after you do the other part. But in order to be able to take the, at least on this truck, this is a just a work truck, and it doesn't have a key, all right, or a light or anything. So, but the first thing you need to do is you need to take this bolt off right there, this top one right here. Take it off, and you will not be able to take it out. You will not be able to take this bezel off, okay, because that screw is in there. See that? So on the top, it's got a clip there and a clip there, and it's also got a clip there. And it actually broke off because I didn't know what the heck was going on here. Other videos say just to clip it off. No, not on this truck. You have to take that bottom bolt out because that's in there. Now once you do that, okay, so we took that off. Then you come back, take that off, push it, there's that thing. You don't have to take those off. And then take these bolts off. Oh, wait a minute. There's another thing you need to do here. You need to unclip the cable that goes this way, like that. And all you do is right there, see? See that? Just push it out of the way. Just push it down with your finger or something, and then pull it. And that pulls the cable. And then you come back over here, and you take this off. Both of them off. And obviously, I'm going to put some anti-seize and clean them up. Okay? But there they are. Now here, what we need to do is do the opposite. Here's the cable, see? So what we need to do is you need to flip this thing out of the way. Ooh, boy, this not as easy. Oh, there you go, see? So I took it off from the other side. And then you can pull the cable off and put the other one on, the new one on. Okay, so just go like this, see? Now, this thing here has a washer on there, and in order to put the cable there, and in order for this to be able to swing, you need to put that washer back on there. But to take it out, you're gonna have to pinch this, and then take it out of the bolt right there, and then put it back together on the new one. Okay, and the new one, oh my goodness, I forgot what the part number. Let me see if it's in here. Let's see. No, the order. Where's the part number? Oh heck, I'll put it in the video. Oh, here it is. Here's the 947 15027, but there are other ones like 231 58822 is another one, and the other one is 152 83051. But notice that here it says left hand, so you need to be careful. The odd numbers are generally on the passenger side. Not the odd numbers, the even numbers. So that means that in the passenger it would be 947 15028. Okay, so the even numbers on the right, and that generally is it's for everything, and the odd numbers on the left. Anyway, just put the new one in there, do everything in reverse, and you're off.